Today, we'll see how to create public holidays and holiday group in Smart Office application. Also, we'll see how to import public holidays in bulk. Okay. To create public holidays, you can go to the attendance, classified master, and public holiday. Here you can add the public holidays. Okay. Add holiday. Here, give the holiday name and company name. Company name, because if this holiday is applicable for particular company, then select the company name. Then give the holiday date and holiday type. Holiday type in the sense it is mandatory or restricted. Mandatory in the sense it is this holiday will be applicable for all the employees. Restricted, which are not compulsory for everyone, but company gives a list of such holidays and each employee can choose based on their religion or culture. And then holiday group. If this holiday is applicable for a particular holiday group, then assign this to holiday group. Okay, holiday group in the sense a set of holidays made for a particular office location or region, because different states in India have different festivals and companies divide holidays into different group. Okay, so employees will get holidays based on the group their office belongs to. Okay, then select or mention the remarks, and template is not applicable for the attendance part, so you can ignore it. Then save the holidays details. Once the public holidays are created, now you can also see how to create the holiday group. To create the holiday groups into classified master itself, there is the option holiday group. You can create the holiday group. As I said that a holiday group is a location based holiday list assigned to employees based on the regional festivals and public holidays. Okay, here you can create the holiday group, give the holiday group name and code. Then if required, you can mention the description and save it. Once the holiday group created, if required, you can assign the public holidays to particular holiday group. Okay. Now we'll see how to assign these public holidays to employees, and also we'll see how to import public holidays in bulk. Okay, to assign holiday groups for employees, go to employees, edit any of the employee and assign the holiday group. Okay. Then if you want to assign holiday group for bulk employees, for multiple employees, then select employees and right click on this, assign the holiday group. You can assign in this way also. Okay. Now we'll see how to import public holidays. To import public holidays, go to the import or export Excel. Here, go to public holidays and download the file format. Once the file format got downloaded, fill the required data. Here you need to fill the required data like company name. If these holidays are applicable for particular company, then you can mention the company name. If it is applicable for all the employees, then just mention all and mention the holiday date and holiday name. And here you need to mention the holiday type. Holiday type in the sense mandatory or restricted. Here you need to just mention first letter of the mandatory or restricted. It may be M or R. Then holiday group. It is not mandatory, it is optional column. If required, you can mention, or if it is not required, then you can just keep it as blank. Okay. Then mention the description of the holidays. Then save the file and import it. Once the holidays are imported, you can check those holidays in the classified master public holiday. Here you can see the holidays which are imported. Okay. Now we'll see how employees can check the holidays in their portal. Go to the employee login and holiday details. Here public holiday details or public holiday list. Here only few of holidays which are applicable to this particular employee, only those are visible for this employee. Okay. Now he is not able to apply the restricted holiday. Okay. If you want to apply restricted holiday, then go to admin portal and master settings. Here you need to select the restricted holiday. Here company cannot select both the holiday type. It is optional, so you need to select restricted or holiday group. Any one of these you can use. Okay. Then select the restricted holiday and save it. Then once you are going to re-login the ESS portal, only then you will be able to apply the restricted holiday. Then you can apply the restricted holiday now. In this way you can apply the restricted holidays. Here you can give the restricted holiday limit. Based on the company policy, you can give the restricted holiday limits. It means only 2 holidays can be applied by the employees. Okay, and then save it. But if you want to give the holiday balances or RHO balances, then go to the classified master and leave type. Here there is a predefined leave type, that is restricted holiday. Just you can edit and go to the leave other details. Here you can give the yearly limit. Okay, how many leave balances you want to provide, you can just give and save it. This is how you want to, or you can provide the leave balances. Now if you want to assign holiday groups to employees, that too in bulk for selective employees, then go to the import or export Excel. Import employee selected details and create the file format. Create the file format and download the format. Once the format got downloaded, just fill the required data. Here you need to mention the employee name, employee code and holiday group. Holiday group should be available in the application. You should not create new holiday group through the sheet. Okay, and then save the sheet and import it. Okay, once it is imported, you can check in the employee master details. Here you can check the holiday group which we have imported. Okay, so this is what how to create holiday groups and how to import employee holiday groups in bulk. Thank you.